Are you facing problems to find out someone who can speak with you or talk with you, with whom you can practice? So if you have this problem, then this video is for you.
If you are newer on this channel, then consider
Subscribing. This is Chayan Paul from ThinkEnglishTv. So welcome to another video of ThinkEnglishTv. So let's begin. Actually, there are several rounds that I am going to discuss with you, which will help you to find a way to practice your English without having any foreign friends or any special persons that you are might looking for. So the point number one is to practice with a topic round, means find a topic and then try to discuss or try to explain the topic based on some situations. So point number one is the topic round. In this round, you must have to carry a notepad and a pen, and what you need to do is to find out a topic and write down into the top of your notepad, and the topic can be anything about today's weather, about your future goal, about your hobby, about anything. And then you have to write several sentences based on topic, and what you need to do is to, after writing the description of the topic, you have to speak by yourself without watching those points in notepad. You have to speak at least 5 to 10 minutes constantly. Even in the beginning, you may got some points wrong, or maybe some pronunciation mistakes, or you will forget the topic. What's or sometimes what happens, you will be diverted from the topic. So that's not a problem. Congratulations that you are trying and you are improving yourself. So first of all, in this way, there will be a habit of speaking on a particular topic, and this will help you to improve your public speaking a lot. So begin with the topic round. Yes, I call it topic round. That's all. Okay, there is a relaxation for you. The relaxation is that you can repeat the same topic again and again, but try to figure it out in a different way. That means day one you are saying something about the topic, about the situation, or about the incident, or on the next day you must have to speak something else. You have to figure it out in a different way. The main source of that topic should be similar with the another days, but you can add some points. So for example, you are talking about your future goal. So at the very beginning you are saying something, the next day you can change a little bit, and in this way you can just modify and add more and more points. In this way, that will also help you to add some points, and it will be helpful for you to find out something to say based on the situation, right? Because in real situations, you don't have enough time to figure it out those points. To add some points, you have to think and speak instantly. So that's why you can repeat the topic again, and also including new topics. That's super important. That's also very good. But if you're unable to find out some days some new topics, so you can repeat the same again and again, but including much more points will be helpful. So remember and improve. If you got some value from this video, so thumbs up the like button and stay tuned with Think English TV. So see you again.